Hello. I am super excited. This didn't take very long to get. It was had some Etsy credit, so I ordered from, I think it's Rachel. We're gonna see. It's wrapped really pretty, cute little bag. This is perfect for me, y'all. Perfect. So let's see if we can zoom in just a little closer so you can see. So I'm going to take this off because I'm going to use this later, and I'm going to see if I can be very careful about this because I want to use this cute little washi tape later. I'm going to, that'll work. I can put it on part of the bag. RachelBeth is where I ordered it from. These are handmade watercolors. I saw a picture on Instagram of something else by her, and then I just wanted to check out the store. Oh, she sent a little sample of copper candle. So this is called a Latte Date, and they smell like coffee, and they're coffee colors. And it says peppermint mocha, pumpkin spice latte, espresso, and foam. And then she says, thank you so much for your order and your support. I hope you love your new paint. Please reach out if you need anything. RachelBeth. And that's a little hallmark. So I'm going to put that in there because it's going to go in my journal as well. And yeah, I have an empty tin. And believe it or not, this actually had coffee spilled on it. So it's going to go right down in there. And I think I'm going to take these on little coffee dates. So this says foam. These are going to go in the journal. They look like candy, y'all. She's even put the magnets on them. And these are the whole pans. This one is the peppermint mocha. So I'm going to write them on the side with a permanent marker. I guess I just put them in order. They do, they look so much like little candies. Okay. So, peppermint mocha. Pumpkin spice. Espresso. And foam. She's already got them written. She has them written. That's so sweet. I didn't notice. And I can fit my little tiny travel brush in there. So, and it does smell like mint. Okay. So, remove this stuff. I was going to do it on the watercolor, but I think since I'm going to put it on the journal, I'm actually going to do it in my journal. Trying to do a little wet on wet as well so that I can kind of get a darker and a lighter feel. Alright. They're gorgeous. Let's go up close. They are just absolutely gorgeous. So that's watercolor paper looks like. Alright, so now let's test out my little said I wasn't going to order very many supplies, and I'm not. But this, y'all, I saw the cafe thing, and it was the last one, and y'all, I don't know what to tell you, except that, you know, I had to. Oh, wow. So, I'm going to put this in this little tin. This is gorgeous color. I don't know if you can see the glitter, the shininess of it. It looks just like copper. So, coffee date. And I think I will like add a little half palette of whatever color I want to color my cup. But I'm going to go on coffee dates and I want to start doing a better job of drawing my own cup of coffee. Which means I need to go to a few places where I can get a different kind of cup, you know, or mug or anything like that. So, this is the little porcelain palette. This is the only thing I've left in there. I cleaned it. That's more for skin tones. So, y'all, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Wow. So, I highly recommend her shop. It is RachelBeth on Etsy. I will leave a link. And, this is going to go here. I lost the thing that quick. Ah. That's it, y'all. So, my journal page, I'll draw a little coffee mug, put some coffee in it. This is just so absolutely adorable. I love it, and it does smell like coffee. Pumpkin spice, you can smell the mint, you can smell the pumpkin, you can smell the coffee. Not quite sure what the foam one smells like, but smells like coffee. So, y'all have a good one. I'll see you again soon. Thanks, y'all. Bye.